Welcome to Road and Track. Road and Track motorcycles were established in 1980 and we've been selling and repairing bikes for over 30 years. We're the island's Yamaha and KTM dealer, selling both new and used, road and off-road motorcycles. We also sell trials bikes and quads, and have a repair and servicing workshop for all makes of bikes. We sell small twist and go scooters and 125cc learner legal bikes, which are very economical to run, doing over 100 miles per gallon. Also, the latest 600 to 1000cc R6 and R1 superbikes. On the ground floor we have a vast stock of oils, lubes, cleaners, tyres, plugs and general bike accessories. Everything for the DIY enthusiast. On the first floor is our clothing department. We stock Arai, K-Berg, HJC, Nitro and Shark helmets. Road and race boots by Alpine Star and TCX. Kevlar and denim riding jeans and top quality leather and textile riding jackets, trousers and gloves from Nevis, Alpine Star and Frank Thomas. For the motocross and enduro guys, we stock a selection of helmets, shirts, pants and jackets. Pop into our showroom at 11 Tinwell Street in Douglas and take a look for yourself, or give us a call on 623 725.